Sound of Scripts presents a scene from David Lambertson's screenplay, The Last Statesman.
Interior, medical clinic, patient room, day. A shirtless Lowell Bachman, 82, unruly wispy gray hair, beer belly, perched on the end of a medical table as Dr. Robert Ferguson, 50s, shines a light in his eyes.
You didn't congratulate me on winning the election.
I'm not all that impressed. You ran unopposed. What is that, 6 times now?
7?
Ferguson places his hands on Lowell's neck, feels his glands.
I can't believe you made me wait 40 minutes.
It's a clinic, not a drive-through.
Ferguson places a stethoscope on Lowell's chest.
Jesus Christ, you keep that thing in a freezer?
Shh, I'm trying to listen.
I think I'm getting Alzheimer's.
The memory loss you described is normal for someone of your age.
Maybe dementia then.
Shh, quiet, please.
What's the difference between them anyway? Alzheimer's and dementia.
If I tell you, will it shut you up?
Lowell shrugs. Maybe.
Dementia is a progressive decline in cognitive function. With Alzheimer's, your brain's neurofibrillary tangles...
Hey, in English, for Christ's sake.
Okay. Dementia would be where you have a toupee and you can't find it no matter how hard you look. Then someone points out that it's been on your head the whole time.
Got it. And Alzheimer's?
When you can't remember if you had hair in the first place.
See? Now, that makes sense to me.
Oh, you can't imagine my relief. So, you still have that nausea?
I throw up some, once a day or so.
You realize that's not normal, right?
I eat at a government-run cafeteria. Vomit on the menu.
Any emotional changes, depression, anxiety, any erratic behavior?
I'm the same guy I've always been.
Well, give my sympathies to Tess.
Ferguson steps back, points 3 fingers in the air.
Okay, without moving your head, tell me, how many fingers am I holding up?
1?
Ferguson rubs his chin, contemplates.
I want to schedule you for an MRI. We need to rule a few things out.
I don't see why you gotta poke me anymore.
Well, since you don't have a medical degree, let's go with my opinion. You got a ride?
Karen's waiting for me outside.
Ah, so she drew the short straw.
Lowell slowly raises his crooked, old middle finger.
Put your shirt back on. I don't want you scaring my nurses.
As Lowell dresses, his eyes are drawn to a clock on the wall.
You have been listening to a scene from The Last Statesman, written by David Lambertson, performed by Matthew Stoll, Victor Rodriguez, and J.B. Story. Presented by Sound of Scripts. To learn more about Sound of Scripts, please visit soundofscripts.com.